Okay, we're going to work on converting radians into degrees this time. You're going to take the radians that they give you, which is pi over 3 radians, and you're going to multiply by 180 over pi, 180 degrees over pi radians, right? Now, when we do this, when we convert, our pi's are going to cancel out, right? And you multiply straight across. 1 times 180 is 180 degrees divided by 3. And we can divide those numbers. Sometimes you'll have to reduce or sometimes you'll get a decimal, but these ones divide evenly. 180 divided by 3 is 60 degrees. So pi over 3 radians is equivalent to 60 degrees, right? Now you can do this with negative radians as well. All right, if I had negative pi over 5 pi over 3 radians, and I multiply it by 180 over pi, same deal happens. The pi's will cancel out just like the previous question. This time we have a number in the numerator that multiplies to the 180. So we're going to do negative 5 times 180, which is negative 900. And then that is going to be divided by 3 because the 3 didn't have anything to multiply with. All right. And once again, this goes in perfectly evenly. Negative 900 divided by 3 is negative 300 degrees. Okay, so those two things are equivalent, negative 5 pi over 3 and negative 300 degrees. Right, the last example I wanted to show you is one that didn't have pi in for radians. So if they just asked me to convert 1 radian into degrees, if I set up 1 over 1 times 180 over pi, well, this time the pi's don't cancel out because there's not two pi's in it. You multiply straight across. 1 times 180 is just 180. 1 times pi is just pi. All right, and I'm not going to leave my answer like that because we don't like leaving pi in the denominator. So I'm going to just divide those two things and get a decimal. Now, I would use the pi button in the calculator to get the most accurate answer. And when I divide those into my calculator, I get 57. I'm going to do 3 decimal places, 0.296 degrees. So every radian in a circle is around 57.3 degrees. Okay.